So you know Python programming language, language that we use to try to communicate with any computer. Siyakwazi lokho angisho. So basically, when we're talking about a Python programming language, we try to code Python so that we can communicate with the computer. Sitshela computer ukuthi yenze ini a certain instructions or for it to execute a certain instruction. So you can tell your computer to ask for a user input. You can tell your computer to print something. You can tell your computer to calculate 4 plus 5. So there are many things that you can tell your computer because our computers now, we are the ones that give instructions to them. But you have learned that in term one with our computers, they only understand in machine language. So as machine language, Anish. Do you know what is machine language? Okay, machine language abo-binary if singabazi o-binary angazi besibafundela abo-binary mawusibungazi ukuthi why we learning ama-binary digits. Binary language is the machine language. Shuthi kahle kahle i-computer or any system only understands a sequence of ubani abo-1 nabo-0. So it's just 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So as you can see, ukuthi computer yakho is displaying quite a couple of things such as lamagama la ngiwabhalile yebo. But in the memory of the computer, the words that are being displayed awamile ngale ndlela ame ngakhona la in front of our eyes. Yeah. So basically it uses binary numbers or binary digits. So basically if you're going to look at a computer memory, you're just going to see a sequences of ones and zeros. Let's just say binary memory of an image, for example. Isithombe okwazi ukusibona clear wena in the memory of the computer, it's just going to be just sequences of ones and zeros. Okay, for example, let me just take this. Okay, this is just a sequence of ones and zeros. Just like in the computer memory kuvela lokho, but when ukwazi ukubona isithombe yabo, ukwazi ukubona isithombe esibonakalayo, you're able to see data, you're able to listen to music. So each and everything, music, we are talking about music, we are talking about sound, we are talking about images, or anything else, or as we display with computer app. It is just binary digits in the computer memory. So thina siyenzani-ke thina sitshela i-computer ukuthi yenze something, but asikwazi ukulokho sithi 1010 thina siyama-understand 10 thina yini cha. We use the natural language as humans, right? So Python helps us because it's able to translate Leo language here to a natural and tell the computer in machine language. But when you get to second year, you're gonna do how does that happen? You're gonna learn of it, bytecode, all of that. But you guys should just know basically uthi the computer uses in machine language. So we computer memory kuvela nje labo ones and zeros. So masikhode la uPython mfundisa abantu bazi ukuthi siwukhodelani. Sikhode uPython ukuthi sitshele icomputer ukuthi senzele into ethile, yabo. So we are coding Python to tell the computer to execute a certain instruction in a certain manner. Sayibona into kanjalo ngisho. So enye programming language has got its own syntax. So there's this thing known as the syntax. So when we are referring to the syntax, we are just talking about the structure of the language. Noma, how does that language work? For example, the human languages that we use, isiZulu. Okay, masingathi collector amanguni languages. Amanguni languages is Zulu, is Swati, is Xhosa, nesiNdebele. Kulawo languages, what makes them common is that they use the clicking sound, uqa no xa. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. So uQ wesiZulu nakwesiXhosa nakwesiSwati, uC, uca in all of those languages. That is their syntax. So that is how the language is structured. So similarly, lama programming languages, they follow a certain syntax. Sayibona into kanjalo ngisho. So ama programming languages nakhona anama language structures. So nama programming languages ahlukahlukene, but thina siwenza uPython. So mawukhode uPython, there's a certain set of rules that you need to follow so that uPython wakho can be able to listen and translate that to the what? To the computer using machine language, of course. Sayizwe leyo nto angisho. All right. So i-syntax kaPython ke siyoqala with the basic thing, all right? A comment. So mawufuna wena ukubhala nje into, ufuna ukukhomenta nje on a piece of code and awufuni ukuthi leyo code i-translateke. You don't want the computer to know what you have written. For example, nje manje ngibhale basics of programming. But if I'm gonna run this, the computer will not be able to read anything. By the way, i-computer i-display i-output la entweni esibiza nge-terminal. Siyabona lo bhala terminal la? So this is known as a terminal or a console. So it displays everything that the computer has heard and is asked to display. So mangatshela ukuthi i-computer yami i-displaya lokhu kuzodisplaya la kwi-terminal. So njengamanje kusadisplaya nje lama folders wami lokho yabo labo users learn what. These are just my folders and stuff like that. It's just displaying those things yabo. So it's not doing anything. Why i-computer yami ngasho ukuthi ngibhale u-basics of Python programming is because leyo nto engiyibhalile sibiza ngani nge-comment. Siyayizwa leyo nto angisho? Yes. So i-comment siveza kanjani ukuthi lo line lo asifuni ukuthi i-computer iwuzwe. So sebenzisa ubani u-hash. Siyayibona leyo nto angisho. So the hashtag tells us ukuthi we want to ignore this line of code. Shothi i-computer yakho will not do anything about it. So you can write any gibberish ongayibhala. Ayinandaba. It's like uthulile nje. Yayibona into kanjalo ngisho. Yeah. So this is known as a comment. So ama-comment wethu ahlukaniswe ka-3. We've got a single line comment, meaning with i-comment yakho is only going to occupy one line. So even if I continue typing this comment, I saw the extended to the next line. Izobe lokho nje iqhubeka. Mangafaka space kanje, space, yabo iyaqhubeka nje, it's just one line, right? Why is it continuing as one line? It's because I've used ubani hashtag. So the hashtag represents a what? A single line comment. So when I want to comment on just one line of code, I can just use ubani single line. Siwasebenzisela nama-comments just to make ukuthi i-code yakhe icace. Uyasho ukuthi yini oyenzile la. Njengamanje ngisho ngiyasho ukuthi ngikhuluma ngama-basics of Python programming. So I'm writing that as a comment. I'm just telling you to the one who's viewing the program ukuthi nakho lokho engikwenzayo. So it makes the code to be readable and for you to know ukuthi yini oyenzayo la. Alright, so i-comment there. But what if ngifuna ukubhala i-comment engaba i-paragraph noma ezodlulela komunye line? I'm gonna use ama-triple quotes to make a multi-line comment. So, sabon, these are quotes angisho, triple quotes. So you can use lama quotes lawa as single, like one line quote. Noma you can use ama double quotes, maybe with 3. It's still the same thing. You can use this, kanje. This is 3 double quotes angisho. Or you can use this. This is 3 single quotes. So I went kanjalo ngisho. Kuyafana leyo nto. Kahle i-code ku-Python is the same. Whether I use a double quote or a single quote is the same code. So I went kanjalo ngisho. But make sure ukuthi you don't mix them up. Just use one quote. For example, if I want to write i-comment la ngithi program yami ayingayiboni lento le. Program yami ayingayiboni lento. Ayingayiboni. Funa ukubhala to the next line. I can be able to do what? To make the next line yabo. Engithi ayingayiboni lento. Program yami ayingayiboni lento. Bese ngiyayivala i-comment yami using a what? Another triple quote. Nazo. So i-program ayiboni le line loya. Ubonwa yimina ngwayi ngifuna ukuthi i-code yami ibonakala ngisho. Yeah. But the program does not see that. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho. So siyibiza ngani lena? Siyibiza nge-multi-line comment. Yabona ngikhomenta nge-single line comment wi-multi-line. So ngithini, this is known as a multi-line comment. Yeah. So let's say mhlambe sengiyaqala ngiyakhoda ke. Sengiyakhoda ngithi x is equals to 10. Asimbize ngo-equals to okwamanje. Bese ngibhala i-comment eceleni. La angifakanga u-hashtag ngisaqala ngisho. I didn't start with the hashtag. So this is not a comment angisho. Shuthi kahle kahle ngamanye amazwi i-computer iya-reader lento engiyibhalile. Futhi ngayibhala kabi i-computer yami izothini? Izonginika ama-errors. Angiyibhale kabi ngabomu. Njengamanje asikayenzi syntax yebo, but let's just say nansi le app phela ingihlupha. Let's just say ukuthi ngivele ngibhale u-x equal to nje. Bese ngiyayirun i-program. Izothini lento le invalid syntax angisho. Because i-computer le iyabuka ukuthi kahle kahle lo x is equal to bese ingabhali lutho la. Kahle kahle is violating the laws of Python programming. Ningayithathi personal lento le ya Python, because Python mawuthrowa ngama-errors laphaya uvele abhale into ende kanjena. Yabo le nto ende invalid syntax u-error lo. Sayibona into kanjalo ngisho. Yeah. So basically why ikuneza i-error is because akuseseyiyona i-comment lento le is something that the program is now being told to do what? To execute. And if lento le kumele i-execute ingahambisani ne-language, then It's like uyahamba umuntu okhuluma isiSuthu asazi nje isiZulu ufike lapho uthi sawubona uzokubuka nje uthi hey Matsula Lapisa yabo into kanjani senje hey ngikhathele nje labantu yabo. It's because vele you are telling a wrong thing to someone who doesn't understand, so yeah yabo into kanjani. But wayifaka i-comment shuthi kahle kahle uyakhuluma nje kodwa awukhulumi naye lo muntu, you are not talking to the computer. But once you didn't put a comment, you are talking to the computer. Alright, so let's just say ukuthi I make a line ngithi x is equal to bese ngifaka u5 bese ngiyakhomenta la ngithini u5 uphakathi kwa-x, u5 uphakathi kwa-x. UPython akayazi lento le ka5 uphakathi kwa-x, ingakho ngiyenze yaba yini yaba i-comment. Shouthi nje ngiyayinhlonhlathela nje uPython uyangiziba nje uyangiglutheka yabo. But-ke uzobuka lokho okungena comment, lokho okungena comment uPython iyakubona. Sayibona into kanjani ngisho. So lento le sibiza ngani lena nge-inline commenting. So this is inline comment. Shuthi you are commenting in the line of code. Shuthi uzoqala ubhale into ebonwa uPython bese after lapho uyocomment uyasitshela ke thina ababonayo ukuthi yini. Sayibona into kanjani ngisho. Yeah. So ithini ke indaba ye-syntax ke? Asale nje i-syntax. So isilokho nje si-explore kancane kancane sayibona ngisho. So i-explore kancane kancane. So mina ngifuna nje ukuthi siye kuma-variables yabo. Wenza ukuthi le syntax yama-variables kahle asiqale sikhandeni something ekhona. Yini ama-variables? So sengizosho ngithini yini ama-variables. So masikhuluma ngama-variables sikhuluma ngani kuPython, alright? So uPython uyi-programming language. Siyisebenzisa ukudevelopa ama-apps ahlukahlukene. UWhatsApp usebenzisayo usebenzisa to some extent you can code uPython, you can code WhatsApp using Python. You can code any app, any software. And you already know one of the primary focus of ama-apps and ama-software siwasebenzisayo ukustorisha ini i-data noma to store information. Njengamanje siyazi ukuthi lapha i-account yakho ka-Facebook unama-login details wakho are-unique to you angisho. Astorishe kuphi? Astorishe somewhere angisho. Yes, they've got a database storing them. So the first element of a database that you're gonna learn of is known as a what? A variable. So a variable is just a data container noma is something that stores any information. Mangathi nje nginame ngithi uvariable wokuqala ngithi variable number 1 yabo angifaka ngicomment ngifuna ukuthi i-computer ibone bese ngithini ngifaka le sign leka equals to ku mathematics bese ngithi equals to bese ngifaka inumber u8. Kuthini lokho? Uthi ahlahle mina u8 ngimstoresha kubani ku-variable 1. Siyayizwa leyo nto ngisho. So le number lena ewu8 ngiyistoresha kubani ku-variable 1. So leli gama la variable 1 likhethekile yini? Cha, alikhethekile. You can give any name that you want. Lo 8 lo ngavela umname nobani ngithi number, mhlambe ngithi number engiyithandayo. So sibhala isiZulu la. Number engiyithandayo is equal to 8. Le gama lela likhethekile lelo ungabhala any name. Yabo it's gonna be a what? A variable. So a variable you give it any name that you want. But it has got ama-restrictions. So athina ama-restrictions wayo sazowabona. But i-basic function of a variable is to do what? To store or it contains a certain item or it contains a certain piece of information. Sayibona ngisho leyo nto ngisho. So a variable, sithi variable yenza njani? Variable stores information noma it stores a piece of information. Sayibona into kanjalo ngisho. A variable stores a piece of information noma it's a data container. It stores data. I-data sikhuluma ngani? Nge-information. Information yini? Anything nje e-information. Ama-number, igama lakho, i-login password yakho noma yini, but sazobuka ukuthi iy'nhlobo ze-information noma ama-data type iwaphi esinabo. Siyayibona ngisho. So ama-variable enza njani? They store information. Sesobuka ukuthi thina yiphi information oyistorishile. In this case istorishe information eyini? Eyinumber. Ewubani? Ewu8. Futhi kahle kahle ngokwenza lokho kahle kahle i-computer seyistorishe ini? Seyistorishe u8 kubani? Kule variable ebizwa ngani? Ngonumber engiyithandayo. sayibona ngisho, but here for simplicity purposes angimneme ngo-num1. Alright, so let's say manje iwaphi ama-restriction mangifuna ukukhanda enye i-variable mhlambe mangathi ngikhanda i-variable ngithi num2 hawubuka-ke sengifakile u-red-ke manje o-red abani bathi invalid syntax. UPython une-restriction mawukhanda ama-variable wakho wakhande ngendlela ethile. Ithini leyo ndlela? Akumele uqale njenge-symbol, ngeke nje uvele uqale nge-exclamation mark ngithi ukhanda i-variable uqala nge-exclamation mark, cha. Bese uthi nayi i-variable yami ngithi u10. Awu cha, ngeke kusebenze lokho. Why kungasebenzi? Because i-syntax ka-Python noma indlela uPython usebenza ngakhona uthini? Uthi you cannot start with a what? With a symbol. So if I print this izothini? Izothi syntax error nakanjani. So it's gonna give me a what? A syntax error. Shuthi izothini lento le? Invalid syntax. Leya invalid syntax usuke laphi? Usukela ekuthenini uPython unani? Une-syntax yayo. Yabo. It's like wena-ke uyothatha igama lesingisi mhlambe sithi ngazi mhlambe anything esingisi mhlambe sithini u-PHA ngesingisi singathi ufa loya ngisho ngesingisi u-PHA ubani ufa ngesingisi but ngesiZulu kuba ubani kuba upha sayibona into kanjalo ngisho manje siyabona amagama kango-PHA abo-phagocytosis abo-philosophy sayibona leyo nto ngisho PH ngesiZulu ngesingisi u-PH kumele ubani sound but ngesiZulu ubani upha. So basically i-syntax ithini uPython awu-understand into eqala ngani eqala nge-symbol nje so uqala nge-exclamation mark-ke wena noma mhlambe uqala ngo-hashtag cha uPython okay u-hashtag usho i-comment njalo waqala ngo-plus mhlawumbe izonqaba siyabona ngisho so ama-variables wethu kumele nje angaqali ngama-symbols phinde futhi ama-variables wakho angabi nama-spaces phakathi wathi num2 mhlambe ngithi num2 ngivele ngiseparate lo num nalo 2 akumele nje kube ne-space phakathi kwani kwegama le-variable. That is why usually mangibhala lapha ngibhala ini u-underscore noma into ezoxhumanisa these two parts ozoba unum nobani no2 sayibona leyo nto ngisho. So basically ama-variables ngendlela esiwa-structure ngayo sithini you cannot have empty spaces and you cannot begin with a symbol sayibona into kanjalo ngisho so okay ngicabanga usuzokhomenta ucofe nje lapha cofa uphinde usave lapho ucofa uphinde usave siyayizwa leyo nto ngisho khona ama-video esiwenzile impela fethu senzela nina nangawo-viewer-ke ayi ngifaka ku-sheet note but-ke you cannot name i-variable yakho using a what? A keyword angisho. Yeah, you cannot use a keyword. I-keyword uPython nama-keyword wakhe abo-else kanjena is a keyword. So you cannot say this is the name of the variable. Yonqaba, yabo. Izosho uthini? Invalid syntax. Noma mhlawumbe usebenzise u-true kanje yonqaba. This is invalid syntax. Noma mhlawumbe usebenzise noma yini yiphi enye i-keyword o-return is equals to 8 keyword lena yabo so yonqaba so mawukhetha igama le-variable yakho then kumele wenze njani usebenzise igama elithile elingasiyona i-keyword. I-keyword vele izovele highlighted ngo-blue for this IDE yami uhighlighta nobani no-blue but-ke yeah so siyayizwa leyo nto ngisho yeah so asesibukeni-ke ama-operators and okay the first operator sokhuluma ngayo yilo equal to lo siwubiza ngo-equal to ka-maths angisho lona but empeleni kuPython akusena u-equal to simbiza ngani lona ngo-assign angisho shuthi loya equal to loya usho uthini ngizama uku-assigna le value ewu-8 ngiyi-assigna kubani kule variable ubani unum1 so sawukhumbula u-print function angisho u-print function siwusebenzisa uma sifuna ukuprinta noma yini evela kubani noma yini esitshela ikhompyutha i-print so mangathi mina print unum1 shuthi izongiprintela ubani yona izongiprintela ubani u8 angisho yes because unum1 ngim-assign to ubani to 8 shuthi ngistoreshe u8 le value le ka8 ngistoreshe kubani kunum1 izwakala leyo nto angisho yebo Okay, ngisazobuka-ke mase senza ama-function ukuthi ku-return no-print bayakwazi ukwenza into efanayo. They can act like the same thing. U-return no-print bayakwazi ukwenza into ezofanayo. Ba-return something on the console. But khona ama-situation la asebenzisa khona u-return, khona la asebenzisa khona u-print. Yabo. Mase senza i-definition yama-functions-ke sesochaza-ke manje ukuthi ikuphi la kusetshenziswa khona u-return kakhulukazi kuno-print. Ikuphi la u-return ane-advantage kuno-print. Yabo. Yeah. So num1 is 8. So yeah, nakho. So ama-number njengoba sisho ukuthi ama-information ethu ingahlukaniswa in three ways, ne? So sinama-integers. So this is known as an integer. Siyayibona ngisho. So in this case, the data types that we have integer, right? Data types. Sinobani? Sino-integer data type. Siphinde sibe nobani? No-string data type. Siphinde sibe nobani? No-float data type. Nobani futhi? No-boolean data type. Okay? Naye isawu-data type nakhona. So mina ngaqala no-boolean lapha abantu baxakeka bathi yini engiyenzayo lapha. Ingakho ngidecide ukuthi sibele emva kancane. So mangathi mina ngikhanda i-variable u-x bese u-x ngimnikeze inamba u7. So leya x is assigned to 7. U7 uyini? Uyinamba ngisho engenakhoma engenalutho. So sibiza ngani? Nge-integer. So this one is a what? Is an integer data type. Sibiza ngani? Nge-integer data type. Integer data type iyinamba. Yebo into kanjalo ngisho. Alright. Mangathi ngiphinde ngithi x ngim-assign futhi to u9. Ngicela ukubuza u-x ngim-assign kabili. Ngiqale ngathi x u-assign to u7. Ngisho ngistoresha u7 ku-x kwi-computer yami ngisho. But manje sengithi ngistoresha no9 futhi. So ngicela ukubuza kuzonzakalani lapho. U-x ahlahlule ngani nobani ahlahle lana. Mangizostoresha u9. Angisho ngiqale ngastoresha u7 la. But manje sengizostoresha u9. Shuthi yiphi kahle yiphi okuyonayo yiphi inamba kahle estoreshele lapha ku-x u7 noma u9 bani u9 uyephi u7 umonisa ama basics la abantu bawafunda noma bawafunda ukephi u7 hey okay nithi u9 noma u7 u9 why alright asale sisho so reassigning noma uku-assigna kabusha deletes the old value. Reassigning deletes old value. Shuthi kahle ekuqaleni ngiqale ngastoresha u7 ku-x angisho but manje sengistoresha ubani u9 ku-x. Shuthi kahle lo ya7 benza njani? Uyayikhohlwa i-program. Sayibona ngisho. So program izovele ikhohlwe ukuthi ngenze njani? Ngeke ngastoresha u7. Iyovele i-replace ngobani? Ngo9. Ezwakala leyo nto ngisho. Yeah. But-ke what if ngaletha uprint wami ngithi print x la ku-line number 15. Lo print x uzongiprintela ini? Sanibona. U7 angisho. Yes, because i-program yethu i-runner from top to bottom. Shuthi the first thing ezokwenziwa i-program yakho it is to store ubani? U7. Miqeda ukustoresha u7 yenza njani? I-printer i-value ka-x. And i-value ka-x ubani? I-u7. Lo ostoreshe ku-line 14. Bese masuqeda lapho yima-ke ustoresha ubani? U9. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho. Yima ustoresha ubani? U9. So mangathi print x lapha uprint x wami ngilindele usenze njani? Angiphe u7. So x wami ulingana no7 in that way. It's because ngiprinte lo x mangiqeda uku-assigna u-x to ubani? To 7. Wezwakala leyo nto ngisho. But mangathi phinda uprint u-x lana, mangathi phinda uprint u-x, then it means ukuthi u-x wami seyazoba ubani? U9. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho. Ngisho uqala waprint u7 lapha ku-line 15 waseprint ubani? U9. Easy ne? Kulula lokho angisho. Alright, cool. So besikhuluma nge-integer lapho. So mangathi ngikhanda i-variable ngithi u-n bese u-n ngimfakela lama quotes. Lama quotes lawa sithe asho ini? Asho okay, if sinama quotes asho into esibiza ngani? Nge-string, a string of characters. Yabona ngisho. So a string can have anything phakathi as long as kunani kunama quotes. It's either ama double quotes noma yini ama single quotes. Ngafaka i-variable la ngifake i-value lapha ngithi ubani uphilani. Shuthi lesi yini i-string esibizwa ngani ngophilani. So yini lena i-string lesi. So this is known as a string. Ezwakala leyo nto angisho. This is known as a string. Bese ke i-string can be anything bafethu. Ngakhanda futhi esinye i-string ngithi u-m will be a space. Angisho nini wenze labo hexadecimal nani nani. Angisho niyazi into ekuthiwa i-ASCII table angisho. Yeah, so you guys are aware of uthi kahle kahle u-space uyini uyi-character kwayena. Sayibona into kanjalo ngisho. U-space uyini uyi-character kwayena. So mangafaka nje i-space esivulekile phakathi kwama-double quotes noma ama-single quotes, then it means uthini kusayi-string leso. Sayibona ngisho. Ngafaka futhi inamba la. Ase ngibize i-variable yami ngo-num string. Mangafaka inamba la phakathi kwe-string. Lo 6 lo ngitobuza uyinamba lo 6 yini? Uyi-integer la? No. Because sesimvala phakathi kwani kwama-double quotes angisho. Yes. So masimvala phakathi kwama-double quotes is no longer an integer. Sekuyini? Sekuyi-string. Yabo. But le string lesi sibiza ngani? A numerical string. So this is a string enjani esinenamba phakathi. Shuthi sivalele ini? Inamba phakathi kwani kwama-quotes wethu. Izwakala leyo nto angisho. Sivalele inamba phakathi kwama-quotes. Easy ne? Alright. But-ke asiyasiboneni-ke eyokugcina bese siyabona ukuthi lama-operators nalama strings why size siyifunde lento le? Why siyifunde? Because ngifuna ukuthi nikwazi ukukhanda ama-program njengamanje ngayo. Ngifuna ukuthi senze more of i-application than i-theory. Siyabona ngeke? Angifuni sichithe isikhathi kakhulu kwi-theory, ngifuna spende more on i-application. Let us say ukuthi I change into yami-ke manje. I say ukuthi I create a variable ngithi uni. Bese i-variable yami ewu-uni ngizoyifakela u-5.8. Kusayi-integer yini lena ngokwe-maths? Akusiyona i-integer ngokwe-maths angisho. Sekuyinamba ene-decimal point. So it's no longer a what? An integer. So it is a what? It is known as a float. So a float is simply a number that is having a decimal place. So a float or a floating point character is a number in a decimal place. Yeah. So a float is a number that is for a decimal place. So into triangle ke lapho iningi lesingayena. Akwazi integer siyenze ibe yi-float. I-float ibe yini? Ibe yi-integer. Kusayi-math nje e-basic eniyikhumbulayo. Ngathi ayi-charge le nto kutheni? Alright, so i-float nansi. Angisho siyazi ukuthi okay, asesikubuyisela grade 10 kancane ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu uyenzile i-maths at some point. Sibuyeleni ku-maths grade 10. Mangathi show that uLodunyana u2 is a rational number. Yini uzoyiveza mangathi u2 is a rational number? How do you show that 2 is a rational number, for example? Ngisibonele nje khona uzobona ukuthi lento leyo convert ama-type ilula kanjani. If I say that show that u2 is a rational number, what should you do ka grade 10? Siyazi nosini rational numbers. Obviously awenza u-calculus 1 sonke kanjani. Ngale nge-number theory nje, the first thing. Akwazi wenza i-computer science ungayenzi maths e-pure nakwenza. Hayi apply e-pure calculus 1. Ithini indawo yakhona? Mangathi show that 2 is a rational number, yini ozoyiveza? Ayi alright. I-rational number asiyeke. Ngcono nje siyeke. Hey, angiyithandi la yakhona. Okay, so u2 is a rational number because it can be written as a fraction angisho. Ungambhala ubani? U2 over 1. Shuthi kahle u2 ziningi indlela zoku-express u2 angisho. Ngame-expressa as ubani? U2 over 1. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. Yeah. So mangathi mina ngifuna ukuconverter ama-data types. Angisho lawa iy'nhlobo ze-information enginayo ngisho. Integer, string and float. So mangathi manje ngifuna ukuconverter. So type conversion, we call this as casting. So mangithi ngiyacasta ama-data type, it means ngifuna ukuconverter i-float mhlawumbe ibe yi-integer, mhlawumbe ibe yi-string. Siyayibona into kanjalo ngisho. Alright, asiboneni ukuthi yini ungayenza. Sithi mhlawumbe uno-x, u-x wami uyini? kuyi-integer uwu-10 ngifuna ukuthi uyishintshe ibe yi-float. Uma kuyi-float kumele ibe nani? Kumele ibe yi-decimal ngisho. Kusho kumele ibe nobani? No-comma. Kodwa i-value yenamba kumele ingashintshi. Kusamele kube u-10. Logically the value must still be 10 but kumele enze njani? Kumele ibe yi-float, ibe ne-decimal point. So u-10 as a decimal uzoba into kanjani? 10.0 ngisho. Yes. So how do I convert this x? I can just say mina x instead of writing u10 ngifuna ukumconverta ngisho. Ngizobhala ngithi mina float ngaphandle bese ngifaka ama parentheses. Wabuza ngama parentheses lawo ngisho. Akusiyona i-bracket lena yini? I-parentheses. I-bracket lento ibiza nge-square bracket, iyona i-bracket leyo. Nansi i-bracket. Siyayibona ngisho. Bese lawa siwabiza ngani? Parentheses. Sizwana leso singisi esimnandi, parentheses. So nakho mangathi float bese ngifaka u10 phakathi means ngiconverta ini? Converta leyo ya 10 oyi-integer abe yini? Abe yi-float. So mangaqhamuka la ngithi ngifuna ukuyiprinta leyo nto kwi-console yami. Ngifuna ukuprinta manje lo x esenginayo. Siyobuka lapha kwi-program yami inginikeza ubani? 10.0. Siyabona 10.0 lapha? Siyabona ngisho. Yeah. So ngakwazi ukuthatha le float le ngiyiconvert ibe yini? Ngakwazi ukuthatha inamba eyi-float ngiyiconvert ibe yini? Ibe yi-integer. Angithathe nakho ngithi u-n wami is gonna be 10.45. U-n1 mawu 10.45 and ngifuna umconvert abe yi-integer. Ngizovele ngifaka ubani la ngaphandle? U-int bese ngifaka ini? Lento engifuna uyiconvert ibe ngani? Ngama-parentheses, phakathi kwama-parentheses. So into etholakala ku-parentheses ibiza ngani? Nge-parameter. Siyayizwa leyo nto ngisho. Yes, parentheses you find inside a parameter. So into ethola phakathi kwe-parentheses ibiza ngani? Nge-parameter. Or you can call it an argument. Izwa leyo nto ngisho. Parameter or argument. So nangu 10 wami 10.45. So mangathi mina ngifuna ukuprint u-n, it means ukuthi u-n wami izoshintsha ibe yini? Ibe yi-integer. U-10.45 mangashintsha ibe yi-integer ngizosusa ini lapha? Yini engizoyisusa? Ngizosusa lo comma ngisho. Yeah, mangasusa lo comma ngizothola ubani? U10. Okay? Siyawuthi sithola u10 nje straight. Angishintshi i-decimal point ngithi 10.55. Kanti sizophuma ubani lapha? Sophuma 11. Sesibonene. Oh. Yeah, sure. Shame. Hey, akusiyona i-maths then. Xa sibokwazi lokho, akusiyona i-maths then. Akusiyona i-maths lena. Icoba nje bethi akusiyona i-maths lena. Igama le elithi float lino-flow ekuqaleni. Siyazi lo flow phakathi. So leya flow loya usho uthini? You round off to the smallest integer possible. So njengoba sino 10.95 uphakathi wama-integers awu-2 angisho u-10 nobani no-11. Mawuthi uka-maths wena uzo-rounda off using leya nto yokuthi if u5 u-greater wala asinandawo naleyo nto leyo. Thina ku-computer science u-float it means that you round off to the integer before angisho. So lo 10.95 uphakathi kwabani? Kwa-10 no-11. Shuthi mawuzothi int 10.95 it is going to turn lo 10.95 abe yini? Abe yile integer encane, the smallest one. Asho sino 10 no-11 yena ungaphakathi angisho. So encane ubani lapho? U10. Enkulu ubani? U11. Kajaba nisazombona usale. Siyabona into kanjalo ngisho. Khona u-float, khona usale. So float for the smallest integer. So siyabona into kanjalo ngisho. Yeah, so that's how you convert an integer to a float. You can take an integer and make it to be a what? A string. Because ngikhulume nge-numerical string ngathi mina ngakwazi ukufaka inamba phakathi kwama-quotes angisho. Bese ba yini? Bese ba yi-string. Siyayibona into kanjalo ngisho. Angize ngapha-ke mina ngithini? Ngithi integer yami ngivele ngithi k. U-k wami ngino-integer u7. Ngifuna ukumconverta abe yini? Abe yi-string angisho. So ngizosebenzisa ubani? U-str bese ngifaka u7 as a parameter. Meaning ukuthi ngimfaka kuma-parentheses. Siyayizwa leyo nto angisho. Mangathi mina print lo k lo, i-program yami ngicabanga izonginikeza ubani? Guess what? Ningasabi ukugesa mfethu, siyafunda la relaxa nje. Gesani nje nikhululeke. Izonginikeza ubani? U7 okanjani? Oyi-string. Funa ukuzwa lokho. That's why u7 oyi-string no7 nje ufike ngani? I-string sine-double quote. Oh, so mangiyenza i-output yami ngizokunikeza i-double quote ne? Alright. Alright. Each and every mistake, by the way, is a what? Is a lesson. So if you don't make those mistakes, themba mina siya-summarize and siyahamba and mina ngokomqondo wami bekufanele ngabe sezidlulile yonke leya nto leya. But ngoba khona wenza i-mistake wathi masothi int laphaya yathi 10.95 wathi 11 sakhavarish u-float wenzayo. Nakho nalelinye iphutha sithini? Print k kuphuma u7 nje. Shuthi athathe le nto leyo convert ku-string ayisebenzini noma kwenzakalani mfethu. Hawu asiyiboneni ukuthi waye kanjani. Mangathi print hello world into esimple ngikhiphe lo print k ngithi print hello world ukani la hello world u-quotation yenza njani uyanyamalala. So ku-console yami noma ku-terminal yami la maku-printer out i-string sami senza njani siyakhila labo double quote bavele benza njani baphuma angeke bavele. Akusho ukuthi leya hello world akuseseyisona i-string kusayisona i-string impela ngoba i-program i-recognize this as a string because wena ufake ini ama-double quote ngekhathi wenza njani ngekhathi uyi-programa lento lena. Yabona lento angisho? So kusayini kusayi-string impela. I-program iyakwazi lokho kodwa uma uzoprinta i-string i-program yenza njani iyawakhipha iyawalahla lama-double quote. Shuthi wena uma uzoprinta loya k loya lo k loya empeleni uzoba i-string empeleni kahle kahle i-program ibonani lento iyafana nokuthi u-k is assigned to the string u7. Siyabona leyo nto angisho? I-program ibona i-string sakabani saka7 but wena uma uzoprinta laphaya uzobona u7 onjani ongenayo lento njani ongenawo ama-quotes. Yabo, because it's for the user to see. But in the program you know that this is a what? This is a string. So kuzogcina kube ngathi akwenzi mehluko vele yona emehlweni wakho akwenzi mehluko uma uzobuka nje le terminal because niyabona lento le code nani nani into eyaziwa yi-programmer lento le i-user of the program only sees lento le evela ku-terminal. So umuntu uma azosebenzisa le program esabona leya 7 uzovela athi inamba leya nto but i-program iyazi ukuthi yini i-string. Siyayizwa leyo nto angisho? Yeah. So the user only sees this when wazi uprogramile ukuthi i-program yakho i-storesha kanjani i-date enale type kanjeni kanjeni. Siyayibona ngisho leyo nto. So is-affecta ngani if ukuthi ku7 oyi-string no7 nje baprinteka as u7? Umehluko imuphi kahle kahle why kumele size siyenze ukuthi ibe yi-string in the first place? Asibukenini. So asibukeni ama-operations and let's just look at operations in Python. Now ungakwazi uku-add ama-values awu2 ama-integer values. Oh, just to add one thing, i-string awukwazi ukusi-convert ukuthi sibe yini sibe yi-integer. Asike sizameni mangathi mina ngifuna ukukhanda i-string r, let's just say my string is str3 bese ngithi i-string sami ngifuna ukuthi ngiconvert ini. Okay, let me just name it something else. Int string. Unema noma yini oyifunayo la. So ngifuna angisho lo int lo bese ngifaka parentheses ngifuna ukuconverta something ibe integer ngisho. So angifake i-string phakathi ngithi ngifuna ukuconverta uSandile abe integer. Bafethu uSandile owamagama angakwazi ukuconverteka abe inamba inamagama nje angavela abe inamba nje esithubeni? No. So mangathi mina print lo int string lo mangathi print lo int string izothini program yami error, it's a value error. No notes nje lama errors because manifuna ama programmers you must know how to handle errors as well. It's an invalid literal for int with the base 10 Sandile. So i-integer awukwazi ukuthatha i-list of amagama like letters and turn them into numbers because letters are not numbers. All right, letters are not numbers, so you cannot convert a string to a what? To an integer. So it's known as a what? A value error, that one. Ungaze bayakhavalisha nama-errors ngini. Alright, ama-operations esingawenza-ke sino-x wethu owu9 oyi-integer u-y wethu owu10. You can do all operations la. You can add x and y angisho. Futhi si-add ubani u9 no10 thola ubani u19. So angizukwenza wonke because you guys already see that's easy. So if I just say print, okay, Mawuzovela uthi x plus y lana nayi i-significance ka-print function. Mangizovela ngithi x plus y ayenzi lutho i-program. Yebo, ikhompyutha yebo iya-recognize ukuthi ubhalile u-x plus y, but so what? Ubhalile manje senzeni yabo? Isaprinta lento le yakudala lo 7 lo isesaprinta ngisho. Yeah, you have to print something so that izovela la kwi-console. Siyabona ngisho. Yeah. So vele i-program iyabona ukuthi x plus y, x is 9, y is 10. So vele is gonna get 19, but you print that out so that izonjani, so that izovela lapha entweni yami engiyibiza ngo-terminal. So uma ngizothi print x plus y ngizothola ubani? U-19. Siyayibona leyo nto ngisho. Izwakala? Alright. Print x plus y is 19. Sharp. You can do the same with u-minus. You can do the same with u-divide. Okay? U-plus noma u-minus uyafana. X minus y kuyafana, ngizowenza wonke vele. So it's like 9 minus 10. Sithola ubani? U-negative 1. Siyayibona leyo nto ngisho. Yeah, so akhona ama-negative integers, by the way, don't forget that. Ama-integers, they span from negative infinity to positive infinity. Siyakwazi lokho ngisho. Alright. So you can divide. Ma udivide usebenzisa ini? Usebenzisa nakho lokho. Nakho lokho nakho lokho ku-divide. X over y. Siyayibona ngisho. Yes, x over y. So this is like 9 over 10. Sithola ubani? U-0.9. It's a float. I-result yethu. Siyayibona ngisho. Yeah. You can also do one other thing known as a modulus. There's modulus. Percent. Yeah, so I cover onke lama gaps, right? So let me just say print. Let me just take a number before sending you a variable. Mangathi 3, okay, ngithi 10 modulus 2. Umodulus, afetha niyazi discrete maths ini? Hawu sami. Yini modulus kanti? Ku-discrete maths. Angikakwenzi. Futhi shisa nenza ngalutho nina ever since isemester izifike manje awukwenzeki. Yini modulus? Lawo true or false anibenzeli mahhala. Anibenzeli mahhala. Mangathi mina u-true and true is true, it makes a very big significance. Sesongena nje kubo if statement njengamanje nizobona ukuthi u-true and true usho ukuthini. U-false and true usho ukuthini? U-false angisho. And nizobona ukuthi ku-computer science ku-apply kanjani. Akusona ama-truth table okudlala lawaya. So umodulus usho ukuthini-ke shonini? Owazi? U-remainder ngisho. Yes. Kuthi kahle kahle when I are trying to say 2, 10 divided by 2 angisho. And you are trying to find what is the remainder kahle. So masingathi siyabona la, mangathi le number le on the ish, yabona lento le iyahlupha le lokhu nginikeza ama-suggestions engawafuni. Lo 10 lo sithi 10 modulus 2 shuthi we are saying 10 divided by 2. But thina umodulus awudivide per se, ufuna ini? I-remainder mawuthi sesidividile yabo. Awugcini ngokudivide. So mangathi print 10 modulus 2, I'm gonna print the remainder if I divide 10 with ubani? With the 2. U-10 divided by 2 sithola ubani? Sithola 5 angisho. So the remainder is 0 because u-2 ngena perfectly into bani? Into 10. Sayezwa leyo nto angisho. Yeah. So umodulus sign, it gives the remainder. Ngizobhala la ngithini? Gives the remainder. Gives the remainder of the quotient that you can get there. So uthola i-remainder yale quotient ozoyithola uma uzodivide uthe ubani? U-10 no-2. Sayezwa leyo nto angisho. Alright, let's say mhlambe siyayishintsha-ke manje into yethu. Ngifuna ukuthi si-understand i-definition of an even number, definition of an odd number, because ngifuna ukuthi nikwazi uku-apply yonke leyo nto leyo in real programs. And we're gonna do a couple of programming questions applying yonke into esesiyenzile. Alright, so print 10 modulus 2. Mangathi-ke mina print 2 modulus 10 kuzokwenza la? Uthola uba what is the answer? What do you think the answer is? 2 modulus 10. Singathola uba? Angicabanga. Okay, awu-interprete ngokwe-maths, is-divider ini nani la? 2 divided by 10. What is 2 divided by 10? Let's just talk nje. Okay, let's just talk about Realistically, how many times does 10 get inside 2? 0 times, angisho. Yes. And what is the remainder then? Remainder 10. Oh, yeah, sure, you maths. Hey. No. 10 divided, okay, 2 divided by 10. U-10, mama ngathi convert le nto wenza ibe yi-decimal ke, the least that you can do. Convert this to a decimal. That's primary school stuff. How can you convert this to a decimal? Qala ngani? U-10 ungena ku-2 kawu-0. Sayibona leyo nto angithi. Besifaka ubani? Ukhomba. Yabo. So u-10 ungena kawu-0 ufaka ukhomba, but we have got these 2 remaining angisho. So for u-10 uzangena mase senjani? Sifake u-0 ngale nto. Sayibona ngisho. Bese u-10 into 20 sola ubani? U-2 kube ubani? U-0.2. So kahle lana u-10 akangeni ku-2 because u-2 njani? Mncane. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. Mncane u-2. But kusalani kuleyo nto? Kusala lo 2 wakhona lo zama ukudivide angisho. Yeah, kusala le nto lena esalayo. What is the small number will remain. So that is the remainder. So if I say 100 divided by 1000, ngizothini? U-1000 akangeni u-100. Shuthi sosana lo 100 wodwa. Because ayikho into engena kuyena ngisho. Ngena kawu-0 isishiya lo 100 wodwa. So a remainder, you guys should know what is a remainder is. Siyabona ngisho. Yeah, you guys should know what is a remainder. Alright. So masingathi siyayiprinta leyo nto ke lapha. Sithola ubani? Sithola u-2 angisho. Yes. So this happens when you are dividing a smaller number divided by a bigger number. Take 100 divided by 1000. You know what's if you say 100 modulus 1000, you're gonna get ubani? 100. Because this 100, this number on the left side is smaller than the number on the right side. Here's what I learned. Quick and easy, right? Yeah, modulus low. So modulus ubaluleke. Why ngize ngiyumentiona la? It's because I want you to know the definition of an even number, the definition of an odd number. Nonke nayenza imaths, shuthi no one is excluded from this discussion. Ngithi mina, i-odd number sibona kanjani? Yep.
Can I see modulus greater than
Modulus greater than 0 also is a remainder greater than 0. Okay? Alright, let's just try to test that out. Say I put a 150 divided by 5. 150 divided by 5, 5 nanga 115 ga 3 angisho. So I'm gonna get put this right. So it gets in 30 times. There's no remainder, right? Okay, so is 150 an odd number? Okay, so 150 is not an even, is not an odd number. That's what you say, right? Okay, let's just put something as an odd number. 151. We're gonna get 30 remainder 1 over 5, right? Yes, we're gonna get something like this. 30 remainder 1 over 5. So you see what our remainder is 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is what? Smaller than 1. The remainder is 1 actually. Yeah. Remainder is actually 1, just that I express it as a fraction. So remainder it is greater than 0.
no?
Okay?
Remainder is 1.
0, 1, 2. Shuthi asikwazi nje ukuba ne-remainder ephezu kwaleyo.
Yes.
Asakwazi ne-remainder ephezu 120. Ngizolethe nje 136 divided by 10. U-10 ungena kawungaki ku-136? Kawu-13, remainder 6. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Ngifuna okay sharp. Phandle kwalokho ngifuna i-definition. Ngicela nje nje i-definition. Mafethu nenze i-discrete math. What is an even now? For n, let's just say given a value n. Let's just say n. So given n assigned to a certain, let's just say n is a variable. Ngizoyibhala as a comment because I just want to make n wami abe nanoma yini ngisho. So n is a variable, right? N is a variable storing a certain number, storing a certain value. So, oh, back to wireless. Okay. So N is a variable storing a certain value. Umbuzo wami uthi mina, for n to be an odd number, what must it be? For n to be an even number, what must be or what must it be? Umbuzo. Ngamanye amazwi umbuzo uyahlathi yini definition ye-odd number? Okay, i-prime number, sino-prime number, siphinde sino-prime number. U-17 uyi-prime number because it can only be divided by 1 in itself, right? Yes. U2 uyi-prime number, but it's still even. Yeah, prime numbers can be even as well. Hey, yo. A number that is divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder, of course. That is an even number. So all even numbers can be divided by one by 2. Okay. So ngicela umuntu ozongirelate-isa-ke. Ngifuna umuntu ozoyi-relate lento lethu i-remainder. How can I try to define an odd number by using the remainder? Yeah, let me just say, how can I use the modulus? I-modulus is telling remainder. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi mhlambe ngingadefine kanjani nje i-odd number. How can for n to be an odd number, what must happen for it to be an odd number? Ngifuna ukuthi nginikeze yonke into. Ngibuza ke ukuthi what must happen to n so that it can be an odd number? And let's just start with an even number. I'll make it a triple line comment, yeah. A multiple line comment. Masithi is perfectly divisible by 2. Ngicela ungiphumanisela lokho ne-remainder kuphela lento engisho. Masithi is divisible by 2. If n is a number that is divisible by 2, then it means ukuthi i-odd number ngisho lento esanda kuyisho ngisho. If the number n is a number that is divisible by 2, then it is a what? It is an even number. Now relate that to the remainder. That's what I mean. What must be the remainder? Yes. U0. Yes, if we divide by 2, we just use the 2 as a reference. So you haven't done my if statement, but ngizobhala ngathi if n modulus 2. Okay, equal to, I just say equal to o1 is a sign in Python ngisho. So mawufuna ukuthi equal to ngesi-maths, you say double equal to. Equal to the way maths esujwayele. So mangathi mina if n modulus 2 is equals to 0, it means ukuthi kahle if the remainder when you divide a number by 2 is 0, then it means the number is what? Is even ngisho. Yes, n is even. Sayibona ngisho. Yeah. But if, let me just say but if manje or it's else if. But if n modulus 2, if n modulus 2 is not equal to 0, or not equal to, we put an exclamation mark, then we put an equal sign. Then it means that this is what? This is odd. That's what I learned ngisho. Yeah. So it means that if you divide a number by 2, you get no remainder. That means a modulus is 0. Then it means the number is what? Is even. But if you don't get 0, you get any other number, then the number is what? Is odd. So after this, I also want you guys to do a program that will be able to determine whether the number is odd or not, just by a certain input. That's how we make programmers. That's how you make everything that's working German. So you need to try apply it more, all right? So the last data type is Boolean. Boolean is a relational type of an operation, right? So mangathi mina u6 is less than 7. You guys have done logical expressions with discrete maths. Ngasho ngithi is the first thing that you do with discrete maths. Logical expression. So a logical expression, noma a Boolean expression, we call it a Boolean expression. Noma siyibiza ngani nge-logical expression. So i-logical expression iyenzani ku-program yakho? It actually compares two values, noma it relates two values, right? So lama sign esiwasebenzisayo, for example, uplus, uminus, ubani, siwabiza ngani? Ngama-operator lawo, siwabiza ngani? Ngama-operators. Bese lezi zinto lezi esizihlanganisayo siwabiza ngani? Ngama-operands. So here the operator, for example here, x over y, divide is the operator ngisho. Divide is the operator. And then x no y, X and Y are the operands. Sayizwa leyo nto angisho. X and Y, they are the operands. Izwakale leyo nto angisho. Yeah. Divide is the operator, X and Y are the operands. This is a modulus operator. The operands is 10 and 2. Lana ke masenza ama-Boolean expression. We put into esibiza ngani ngama-relational operators. Khona nje slide sen nje ngiyibone leyo nto. Relational operators. So ama-relational operators, they relate noma they compare two values. Comparing means greater or is greater than, is less than, equal to. Siyazi noma not equal to angisho. Yeah. So lana this is 6 is less than 7. This is a Boolean expression. Sayabo leyo nto angisho. So if I say 5 is equal to 5, this is a Boolean expression as well. Sayabona ngisho. Because lo equal to lo is comparing labo 5 on both sides. Okay, if I say 5 is equals to 10, it's a Boolean expression. If I say 8 is greater than 0, this is a Boolean expression. But a Boolean expression, they've got two outputs. It's either true or false, depending on whether it's true or false. So how do you display that to the console? Well, you simply just put a print function. The print function so is 7 cycle. That's why the first thing that you do with Python is to print hello world. So let's say I want to print lo 6 is less than 7. What 6 is it less than 7 for real, for real? It's true, angisho leyo nto. Yeah, 6 is less than 7. So this is gonna give me ubani true. So ama-Boolean expression, they either give me a true or a false based on whether operators wami ama-operands wami that I'm comparing, are they in the correct way? I mean, like u7 is it bigger than 6 or ngempela. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. U5 uyalingana 9 no 10? No, angisho. So if I say print and I say 5 is equal to 10 kanjeni, this is gonna give me ubani false. Sayibona i-output ithini? False. So therefore false this is a wrong, or it's a false Boolean expression. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. Yeah. So one more thing to add la kuma operations, ama-strings, ama-numerical string. I just say a string can have what? It can have a what? It can have ama-double quotes. A double quote and having a number inside. Leya number leya ayikwazi ukusebenza kuma-integer operations. Kanjani? Siyabona lo k lo sithe uyi-string ayisho simconverte waba yini? Waba yi-string. But ma umprinta ku-console uyakhipha ini? Ama-double quotes. But singamsebenzisa yini kwi-program uku-add izinto? Singa-adda leya 7 nenye into yini? Cha. Because leya 7 uyini? Uyi-string. Iyazwakala leyo nto angisho. Leya 7 uyini? Uyi-string. So since leya 7 leya uyi-string, it means ukuthini? We cannot use it for integer operations. So if I say mina print k plus 3, if I say just print k plus 3, it must give me an error la. Print k plus 3 must give me an error. Le error le isuke la. Lo k lo is a string. Although kwi-terminal asho sesike sawuprintha sathola ukuthi uba ubani? Uba awunawo ama-codes. Awunawo nje ama-codes? Yeah. But usayi-string ngokusalayo. I-program isabona i-string. So it will give you a type error. So you can only concatenate string, not integers to string. So awukwazi ukuhlanganisa i-string ne-integer nkosi yakho. You can only combine ama-numbers together or uhlanganise ama-strings together. But awukwazi ukwenza njani ucombine i-string nani ne-number because they are totally different. But i-float ne-integer ngakwazi ukwahlanganisa because wonke ama-number ngisho. Yeah. U2 plus 2.0 uzothola uba okay, u2 plus 2.2 you would get ubani? U4.2. U-float and integer you can add them together. But laba abalothe njani u-string no-integer cannot add them together. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. Yeah. So ama-strings ungawahlanganisa kanjani ke wona before siqhubeka ngama-Boolean wethu? Ama-strings ungawahlanganisa impela. So you can have operations on strings before we get to Boolean kahle. So string operations, ngifuna ukuthi uwasebenzise mase ucoda lapha when you are making your titles and stuff like that. String operations. So ama-strings uyakwazi ukuwahlanganisa. Siyabona ngisho. Ama-strings awu-2, you can do what? Concatenate them. That's the word. I've got a very good English accent. You concatenate. So string number 1 akube uPhilani. String number 2 akube uMinenhle. bese ngifuna uku-add-a. So ama-string operation they can support u-plus operator, right? So I want to add u-string 1 nobani no-string 2. If I say print this, before ngize ngiprinte labo boolean labo, let me just print this before I get to the boolean. Buka izothini? Philani Minenhle. Nakho siyabona ngisho sengiyi-extend i-console yami soyibona sonke kahle. Nansi-ke Philani Minenhle. Sikhumbuleni nabo true nabo false ilaba kubulena ngisho. Siyabona lo Philani Minenhle sebenze njani? Sebahlangena ngisho. Ile plus loya. Imqondo yenu. Ngicela ukucacisa-ke akekho uMinenhle empilweni kaPhilani, siqale la. Yeah. Ingakho nje ngithi into esingayishintsha la nje ukuthi Philani serious person. Lokho nje ngingahambisana. Masingathi Philani serious person kanjani izowahlanganisa impela. But yabo lo space lo ukupha ngisho. Ilo space lo printwa la kubani ku serious person siyambona ngisho. Ukhona nakula. So athatha izoprinta yonke lento le u-string 2 uzoba u-serious person onani ono space phakathi. So this is Philani serious person la nayi output. Yabo? Yeah. Lokho ku right ukuhlanganisa ayabo Minenhle. All right. So this is not a string concatenation. You can do a string repetition. Choose ungakwazi ukuphinda string kaningi using multiply. So you can use multiply operator ukuphinda in string kaningi. So mangafika la ngithi print bese ngithini u-string 1. U-string 1 owuphilani kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ishaye labo philani abalandelanayo. Kube uphilani abangaki abawu5. Ngizothi Philani times 5. So the first one siyibiza nge-string concatenation, right? Sengiyibhale nje string concatenation. Inhle yona. And then the second one siyibiza ngani? Nge-string repetition. So mawufuna ukuprint i-string esi1 kaningi. Now Philani kawu5. Okay, yeah. It's because unjani multiply the string. Why ngize ngikunikeza lento le because ngifuna ukuthi uyi-apply. Sengikhombisa ungayi-apply kanjani mawufuna ukuthi i-code yakhe lenswemu. Yabo? Ngifuna ukubhala mina ngibhale nje i-statement siphinde sibe nani nama-spaces phakathi siphinde sibe nama-numbers kube yonke leyo nto. Khona into ekuthiwa yi-space character ngisho. So a string that has got a space. So you can name it anything but mina ngizosibiza ngo-space i-variable yakhona. Ngivele ngithini ngibhale i-string kanjena. Yolo string lesi sinani sine-space phakathi ngisho. Yeah, this string has got space inside. So siyibiza ngani lento? Nge-space character. How can I integrate it to my code? Siyabona lo Philani lo uhlangena ngisho. Angisafuni mina-ke. Okay, asesihlukanise nje lo Philani no-serious person. Kuwukuthi kuba ubani? Kube uPhilani bese kuba ubani? U-serious person. So I can use this space string. Ngis-add naso because it's a string ngisho. Yeah. So mangi-add space string ngifana ngi-add ini? Ngi-add space phakathi. So phakathi kwa string 1 no string 2 ngifuna uku-add ubani? U-space. So this is string 1 plus string 2 plus space. Now siyabona lo space lona ngisho. So lo Philani no serious person mawuzoprinta lapha kanjani? Bazohlukana siyabona ngisho. Why behlukana? It's because ngi-add ini? The space string lapha. Le string lesi siyi-space. Siwu-empty space lesi. Sine-space esi-empty. Yeah. See? Oh. Hey, anisaboni. Unokudonsa kakhulu i-charge but ngizobona kanjani ya. Siyabona ngisho. Alright. So siyabona lo Philani no serious person sebenza njani? Sebahlukene because fake ini? I-space character part. Siyasibona le-space masi-highlights. Yeah. Ungafaka enye into oyifunayo phansi. Uma ungafuni i-empty space ungavele ufake ini? U-dash kanje. Bukani na. Once sifaka u-dash ngisho. Futhi yoqala ibhale u-string 1 okuwuPhilani. Ifake ini? Leya space leya ngifaka u-dash phakathi ngisho. Bese after lapho izobhala ubani? U-serious person. Mangenza lokho izothini? Izobhala uPhilani phinde ibhale ubani? U-dash serious person. Siyabona leyo nto ngisho. Yes. That's how even you link things. You can link umuntu nama-marks wakhe ube ne-string sama-marks. Sithi ama-marks wakhe uyaphasa lo muntu. 95%. String sa 95% lesiya. Ngifaka ubani? Udash kanje. Siyabona leyo nto angisho? Yeah. Bukani philani bese thini 95%. Kanti nithi udizayina kanjani Microsoft Excel mulokhu uthi igama bese ufaka udash bese ufaka into njani? It's logic. So lapha i-string you can do anything with a string. What if ufuna labo dash babe baningi, babe abo dash abawu-10 abahlukanisa ubani uphilani no-95%. Because la ngathi usondelene kakhulu angisho. Ngakwazi nje ukuvele ngimultiply lo dash lo. I just say i-string it supports string repetition angisho. So it means ngamultiply lo dash lo ube njani? Ube mningi. Ngithini? Lo dash lo ube times bani? Times 5. Shuthi kuzoprinteka ini abo dash abawu-5 phakathi kwalo string 1 nobani no string 2. Vela in manje. Nazo. Siyabona into kanjalo angisho. Yeah. So that's how you use string concatenation, string repetition. You get creative. More creative now. Coding is all about being creative. What you can do. I'm giving you the ability to be creative la. Shuthi sizobona ukuthi uqhubeka kanjani from la. So you understand ama-Boolean expression from this one, right? Yezwakala leyo nto angisho. Okay, yiphi enye i-operator eniyenzile futhi eklasini esingayenzanga? U-is. Niwenzile? Is operate. Is not. Okay, it's fine. Let's leave some stuff for later on. But if you are curious with coding, especially now your computer science major, you should know that by the end of this year, Nanjan. Okay, not by the end of this year. You must know it njengamanje. But asenzeni ke manje i-control flow njengamanje sesiyawazi ama-Boolean expression angisho. We now know what are Boolean expressions angisho. So manje ke into esifuna ukuyenza into ehlakaniphe kakhulu ke manje. Asafuna ukuprinta nje noma yini. Sesifuna ukuselecta into eyithile ezokuprint. Siyabona manje. Sesenza into esibiza ngani? Nge-control flow. So you are going to control the flow of the program. So we're going to control the flow of the program. So control the flow of the program. So sesiyawazi ama-conditional statement. These are conditional statements, or these are logical expressions that you can use, right? These are logical expressions that you can use. They can either be true or they can be what? False. Sayibona ngisho. So now let's just say ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuprinta into ethile only if a certain condition is met, right? Let's say mhlambe u-x wami u9, u-y wami u10. I'm gonna use the first selection method esibiza ngani? Nge-one-way selection. So I'm gonna use one-way selection la ngithi khona if. Vele ngibhale u-if, it's a keyword. So mangizothi if bese ngisho ukuthi if u-x is less than y, then you should print for me. Nayibona i-indentation. Lana mawenza ama-if statement. Sinento eziwu-2. Uyabona lo if lo siyawuqala la bese sifaka ini? I-colon. Sifaka i-colon. Siyabona le colon le? Mawuqeda ukubhala i-logical expression yakho ufaka ini? I-colon. And then mawupressa laphaya, mawusuqala u-if statement yakho, awukwazi uqala ubhale la uthi if x, cha. Kumele ubhale, you must at least skip one step, one space. Kumele ufake nje ispace esi-1, sikubiza nge-indentation le. Yabo. So it's known as a block of code. So you can just put one space kanje, at least one. You can put multiple steps. Uprint wakho ungamfaka futhi, but awufuni iprogram yakho ibe-ugly. So usually, for this to happen easily, you can just click u-tab lapha ku-computer yakho. U-tab siyamaza ngisho. U-tab uzokhanda ispace esi-neat. Siyabona leyo nto angisho. So lama spaces owaskiphile, this is known as these are indented blocks, or these are blocks of code that I've skipped. 3 blocks of code. So it's no line of code, it's no blocks of code. Line is the entire line, Mrs. Here to the next line. Block, it is in the indent spaces. Normal, it's just spaces, you just put a space. So mangasi, if x is less than y, then print I'm happy today. It's fine. Whether is good. Yeah. So nakho ngijabulile iwe the right. Angazi right noma impela namhlanje. Akuthi right yazi. Kuyangosuku ubani kodwa. All right. Nakho If x is less than y, print I'm happy today. Loya if loya wenzani loya? Usho ukuthi kahle if le condition engiyibhalayo, this expression yabo le condition le illogical expression angisho noma i-boolean expression esanda kuyichaza manje. So if this condition is true, then it means ukuthi uzokwenza njani? Uzoprinta lo I'm happy today weather is good. Sho ukuthi kahle lo I'm happy today weather is good uzoprinteka makunjani? Only if ngesimethe kuthiwa if and only if le statement less noma le logical expression lena injani i-true. If only the logical expression is what? Is true. So njengoba ngithi mina if x is less than y, usuzobuka wena is this true or not? So ngibuyela lapha u-x wami u9, u-y wami u10. We use predefined values. Ngithe mina if x is less than y, ngicela ungi-evaluate nje loya boolean loya. Is it true or false? True. Angisho. So it means ukuthi i-program will go ahead and print this thing. Oh, I'm happy today weather is good. Shuthi mangizoprinta la I expect it to show angisho. Angisho. Why kumele show? Because it's true angisho. Yes. So this is gonna say I'm happy today weather is good. Sayibona ngisho. It's because this condition is true. Sayibona ngisho. Kodwa le condition yaba false. Is this going to print lo I'm happy today? No. So angi-reverse side be false the condition. Bukani ke ngayenza be false. If ngathi if x is greater than y, lo x is greater than y is it true or false? False now angisho because lo x wethu u9 angisho. And u9 is not greater than 10. Sakubona lokho angisho. So since 9 is not greater than 10, so automatically it's a false condition. So lo I'm happy today weather is good mangizorun i-program aka print kuzovela igcinela kulo false lesimenze la. Siyambona ngisho. Yeah, ayizoprinta lokho. So we are controlling the amount of things that we are executing. You are controlling the amount of code that's going to be executed. How do you control it? You give a logical expression. A logical expression either gives you true or false. Say, Say, is that hard? No. All right. But-ke niyabona ukuthi njengamanje ngiyaprinta akuprinteki lutho because i-condition is false. So i-program izongibuka nje ayizukwenza lutho. But what if mina-ke ngifuna ukuthi mangiprinta, let's say ukuthi this condition is false, it will do something. Ngifuna ukuthi kahle if the first condition is not met, then the other one must return something at least. Because njengamanje if i-condition yami false, then what? Nothing is happening angisho. Yeah. So ila ngi-eda khona into engiyibiza ngobani? Ngo-else. U-else ngizom-eda abe in the same block as u-if. Shuthi kahle ngamanye amazwi u-else no-if bami kumele babe on the same level. Sayibona nje baba kwi-same block, as in like the spaces, their spaces, the spaces on their left is equal. All of them, they are on the same amount of spaces to the left, right? Bese ngithini else. Loya else usho ukuthini loya? Usho ukuthi nanoma yiphi enye into phandle kwale condition lena. Else if unenye condition, mhlambe sithi mhlambe for example lana u-x is greater than y is false angisho. So it means akuze ukuprinteka lokho angisho. So mangizothi else mina ngifuna ukuzama ukuprinta okunye okungahambisani nani nale condition engaphezulu. So if le condition engaphezulu ingaprinteki, loya else loya usho ukuthini? Noma yiphi condition ozongipha yona printa lokho. So ngathini? Print error. Ngasho ngithi lana print error. Error. This can't be true. This can be true. But again, let me just reverse my operands again. Ngi-reverse la x is less than y. Ngenza ukuthi u-x abe yiwona omkhulu. Ngithi u-x wami u91 kanje. Ufuna ubona ukuthi ngizokwazi uku-analyze into le. U-x u91, u-y ubani? U10. Bese ngithini mina? Ngithi if x is less than y, you have to print this. Else you have to print lo error, this can't be true. Mangathi ngiya-execute lento le yini ezoprinteka lapha. Why printeka u-error? Yeah, because it's false angisho. Lo x is less than y is false angisho. So this I am happy today weather is good ayizukuprinta because this expression x is less than y is false because 91 cannot be less than ubani utheni. So loya else loya will accommodate whatever the other condition is. Yabo. So manizoprinta la kuzoprinta kubani u-error, this cannot be true. Sayabona nje leyo nto. This is else, if and else. Simple like that. You just design one condition on top. If that condition is not met, then you are gonna ignore it. You're gonna ignore. If the condition layer x is less than y is not true, then you're just gonna proceed and do this one. Yabo. You're not gonna ignore this one. I mean, after you ignore it, you're gonna go to the else one. Lego else is print on my. If this one is not met, then you're gonna print the one elandelayo. Sayibona ngisho. Does that kind of make sense? All right. Asiqaleke. Sengiqedile mina uLodunjana uku-introduce ama-concepts. Now let's start. Simple program. I'm going to give you values. Yeah, you're gonna have x and y lapha. Convert x and y to their absolute values. Let me just redefine them. X is -9. Y is 10. Using these conditional statements, make sure that you give me the absolute value of x and the absolute value of y. I can. What is the absolute value of x and absolute value of y? Noma, give me the logic. We call it a logic. Give me the logic that I can use, or give me the logical expressions that I can use to achieve, Noma, to make a program yami to give me the absolute value of something. Okay, sharp. Okay, to make things easier, ngizoyithatha la niyazi khona. Nami ngicala calculus 1. Owakahle ngeclass lami mina ngi-introduce absolute values. Ngathi yini absolute value? Just two things about absolute value that you can say. Okay, one thing that you can say. What is the absolute value of a number? In absolute value. Akaziya kwaleyo maths yakhona. In absolute value. The distance of a number from 0 ngisho. Yes. I think it's a clear definition ezinye izinto kumele ngihlezi nizazi. Absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. What else about an absolute value? It is always positive. So it means mangathi absolute value of x I must get ubani? Njengoba ngino -9 lapha ku-x, absolute value of x must give me ubani? So give me the definition of an absolute value and let's write it down. Let's see, what is the absolute value of x? The number x. What is the absolute value of a number x? Is x if? Shouldn't be x if what? X is greater than 0. Second, or equal to. Or equal to singamkhitha my go. Because 0 base aside. Okay, and is also equal to 1. Also equal to 1. Negative x angisho. If ubani? X is less than 0. Sayabona lento angisho. So if the number is less than 0, you multiply it by -1. If the number is greater than 0, you multiply it by 1. Yabonana lento angisho. Lo if lo enibona la ku-maths. Uhluke ngani nalo if lo enibona la ku-programming? Uhlukile yini? Asese wenu if so if ofanayo. So design a program here that will give an absolute value of something. Because you guys already have the definitions of an absolute value. Yeah.
Okay, if x less than 0, multiply x by -1.
So if x is less than 0, sayazi leyo condition angisho. Then what must happen?
Multiply x by -1.
So multiplying x by -1 funze siprintele out something angisho. So obviously x multiplied by -1. But we want this to print this outcome angisho. So we can just say print x times -1. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Yes, because x is an integer in this case, -1, right? You can just call it directly here. Okay, but a neater way of doing the program is to write, is to write a new variable. Kusho ukuthi uzokhanda a new variable ubani? Absolute value, which is going to be equal to bani? Which is going to be x multiplied by bani? By bani -1 angisho.
is.
And then after that, you print that, and you now say print the absolute value of x is the absolute value of x is. Ngithini is what? Ngithi ABS la phakathi string. Kanje. Why not? Izovele ikhiphe lokhu ABS njengokunjalo ngisho. I mean bukani le condition is true laphaya. Izovele ithini the absolute value of x is ABS. Kodwa thina sifuna the actual value stored. Because ABS we want it as a variable. So yonke into oyifaka kuma codes iprinta njengoba injalo. It's not a variable. It's a string. It just prints exactly as it is. So you have to combine these two. But bukani into ezokwenzeka. Bukani nje into ezokwenzeka la. Okay, is this correct? Siqale la. Is this going to be giving us an outcome? I'm sure we are combining two strings again. The absolute value of x is, that's the first string. Then the second string is what? What is the second string? ABS angisho. Alright, i-right nje nangisho. I-right. Hawu, sifuna wangawazayo. Singayi-run. Quotation. So the ABS simple quotation kanje.
No.
Okay, on both sides. Kanje. Is ABS nakhona. Ngithe into quotation mark iprinta njengoba injalo. The absolute value of x is ABS. Okay, siyasixa singafiki lapho manje. Sasosofia flex. So itailorisha kancane kancane. Ukuthi sifike F string. Sisayikha la. Safuna ubona nje ukuthi i-basic nje yokuprinta nje using the normal way. Ingavela yini. Funa ukuthi apply lento engimtshele yona, i-string concatenation, string repetition, those two order. Hello. So now usi-add u-ABS but usinikeza u-ABS ngenjalo. Why ingasinikeza u-x times -1? Hey, ngikhupha kakhulu manje yaku-app. Hey. Why nyakude kakhulu? Lo ABS lona uyi-variable ungambhala njengoba enjalo. Mawubhala kanjena, this ABS, if you highlight it, do you see that it's referring to the ABS which is x times -1? So the problem can work, right? Funa nje i-green light, man. The program can work or not. Can work. Okay. So there's something that you need to be careful about a bit. Okay? Calm down. Don't get shocked. It's a small error. Incane kangakanani le error lena is very small. I want you to apply a concept to also solve it as well. Because we are almost done with our program, yes. But you want to solve it. It's in that can only concatenate string, not int to string. Yini inkinga kahle ubani ungachazela i-error indaba isinikeza i-error lapha? Exactly. Yabo sesiwa-apply lama concept. You say you cannot add a string and a what? And an integer. Sitestile wathini? Type error ngisho. Yes. Because you cannot add a string and an integer. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho. So for them to be addable together, they must all be strings. Because you cannot convert a string to an integer. But you can convert an integer to what? To a string. This is our keep up with double quotes. So what must we do so that we can be able to get this? I get this guy show much. Yeah. Makhele braces. Besifaka u-F ngaphandle. Ngithi okay. Awubhedele. Mawususho leyo futhi sizowasayijesta lapha. Sisayibambile leyo. Futhi in-apply lokho esikwenze manje. Ngoba ngifuna sibone sina-understand yini lokho esikwenzile lokho okwamanje. So sikhula kancane kancane. Ngifuna usebenzise i-method yoku-string concatenator mina. But leya uyi-integer leya. Yini inkinga yakhe? Yini engingayenza ukuthi angabe yi-integer? Ngifuna ukuthi abe yini kahle khona azokwazi ukusebenza. Abe yi-string angisho. How do I convert an integer to a string then? Yeah, we do casting exactly leyo nto. We do casting. You cast this. You can just update lo ABS lo. Lo ABS lona ungavele uthini umreassign to ubani? To str of ubani? Of ABS. make things okay. Wenzeni lana uthe lo apps lo ABS omdala ngisho uyiteje umconverter uba yini uba yi-string bese ke uassigna kabusha ku-ABS. Angisho remember when you assign ngifuna siteste wonke lama concept angisho when you reassign a variable mawuzophinda lo ABS kwesibili la usezodelete the old value usezothatha muphi le ninja sekuyini sekuyi-string. Ungavele ukufake konke la ucompose ama-function wakho la but to make it cleaner nah the absolute value of x is nah siyabona lento ngisho so iqale ya-check ukuthi is this true u-x is it less than 0 yes that's true check siyabona ngisho the next thing yenze njani okay after checking this it means it's gonna execute this angisho so it's gonna create a variable u-ABS by taking u-x and multiplying it by ubani by u-negative 1 because it's less than 0 angisho yes but for us to print this as a string what we need to do we need to convert this to a string so that sizoyihlanganisa nalo othi the absolute value of x is sifuna uhlanganisa nalo yangisho yeah I want you guys to apply like type convention nibajwayele kakhulu they're gonna help you quite a lot siyabona ngisho so siyathi sifake input yethu lapha u-x o negative 9 but output yethu ubani u9 o positive siyabona lento ngisho yeah okay else let's just say mhlambe u-x wami uzoba positive so faka u-else angisho so u-else wami there's no need to write any statement angisho because u-else usho ukuthi nanoma yiphi enye into phandle kwale ngaphezulu le ngaphezulu thini x is less than 0 okay if it's not less than 0 then how do we deal with absolute value ABS uba ubani x times bani x times 1 ABS uba u-x noma njani uzovele less u-x noma njani angisho if x is positive then its absolute value it is x itself yeah and then now you can just repeat this and print this statement but-ke la sizoba yi-integer ngisho zenza into efanayo convert it to a string so into engizovele ngiyenze la ngizovele ngifake u-str la you can even do it right here on the same line instead of creating new variables you can do it on the same line but ngenxa yokuthi mina bengifuna uku-express ukuthi lento leyo yoku-assigna kabusha iyenzayo that's why I did that at first so if I do this the absolute value of x is 9 it's only doing for this one because x wami unjani u-negative make u-x to be positive make u-x to be 100 then u-x is no longer less than 0 angisho so which condition is going to be executed the second one angisho ethini ethi the absolute value of x will just be x exactly as it is so if I print that one izothini the absolute value of x is 100 siyabona into kanjani but now lento le iyahlupha kakhulu lento le face is very very troubling so we can just use f string instead of concatenating our strings always yabo so f string uthini if you want to use a variable within a string you can just use ubani u-f string so I'm just gonna do this copy and I'm just gonna paste it so that I can modify program yami ngikhombisa ukuthi it acts the same way so lana angisho sesesa-attempt ukwenza into kanje ekuqaleni nayo into sesesa-attempt that the absolute value of x is ABS bese lo ABS lona simbonile twenze njani angisho unqabile ukusiprinthela u-ABS lona unqabile ukusiprinthela ini i-value ka-ABS because it's being treated as what as a string how can you make the program to treat this as a variable kahle kahle how can you call layer variable u-ABS uyibize within a string you just need to put curly braces right if you want to call them in a fancy way is curly braces size of the language curly braces but akuphelele lokho once of curly braces the next thing you need to put is an f before you start a string so outside the strings of ubani u-f so that's an f string buka kuyaguquka ke manje lo curly braces wakho so phakathi kwani suno-green sushintshile and I want ukhala wakhona seyosobuka the same as the integer as the variable itself so ngamanye amazwi u-f string is able to call a variable exactly as it is without concatenating so the program then is to still do us the same thing if you use ubani u-f string so I can just say instead of lokho ngiconcatenate njalo do I can just remove labo concatenating ngifaka ubani ama-curly braces so I can just say curly braces ngibhala igama le-variable yami estorishele value angisho the variable storing the value is ABS angisho yeah and then I just put an F string ngaphandle kanje. Siyabona? Now, it will still do the same function. So if I print this, the absolute value of x is 100 as well. Still have the same thing. Absolute value of x is 100. Why is it 100? It's just okay. I remove this code. Oh yeah, we are using this one 100. So the first one is lega 10, but in a 7 suban lega 100. X is 100, y is 10. 7. Those are the values that we are using. So x is greater than 0. So kuzoprinteka low. The absolute value of x is 100. Imnandi lento lena ngisho. But bafethu vele sizohlezi nje simshintsha nje u-x laphaya thina sama-programmers always nje siyashintsha u-x thina manje sesimshintsha u-x asineze nithuba i-user ukuthi isishintshele ama-values wayo kahle kahle sifuna ukuthi i-user for example nakho ngine-phone ithi ifoni yami I'm the user of a phone. I'm the user of a phone. This phone is being operated by the user. I'm not a program. Yabo. But a phone, it is programmed to behave in a certain way. Yabo ntiyanjani ngisho. So, mase ngifuna ukuya-calculator for example. Ngisho lapha ngekathi si-add ama-number for example, u-5 plus 6 were to assign x to be 5, y to be 6, and we added to x and y. So, shuthi i-program kumele ihlezi ngiyenzela yonke into angisho mina. Angeke kusebenze lokho. Because realistically wafethu, the user of the program must be able to do it themselves. Remember, ngithe yonke lento le uyibona kwi-code, it is only seen by you as a what? A program. But the user of the program uzobona ini lento le evela kubani? Ku-terminal. So mina ngifuna ukuvumela ini i-user iyifakele. I-user yenza njani? Iyifakele ama-details wayo. Let's just say ngifuna ukuthi i-user ikwazi ukufaka i-number ithole i-absolute value. For example, i-calculator yefoni yami njengamanje mangingafaka inamba kanjena ngifake u9 ngiyifakele yabo ngifake uplus ngiyifakele futhi nge-operate ngifake u10 ngiyifakele yona athi 9 plus 10 yabo. So realistically lento leyo kulokho sithi x assigned to this x or lento le is just for practicing concepts. Manje ke for applying concepts we need the user of the program to be able to enter information in their software themselves. So we introduce this ngani? The input function. So input function, it allows the user to put in, as the word says, input, put in, faka user. Input function. Okay, put in. I think you will really remember it in a better way. Now, as the name says, put in. You know, you put in lana, you put in value. Fake value. Okay. As put in value, okay. It's kanjani syntax input. So sithethe na vele ama data carriers noma into carry ama data values uPython are variables angisho. So lento leyo khanda variable awusoze uyibalekele. Kodwa this time i-variable oyikhandayo uyikhandela ukuthi i-user kube yiyona enza njani e-assignayo i-value to yona. Angisho lapha thina as a programmer you were able to say x is assigned to 5 angisho. You were able to do this, right? This was you as a programmer assigning a value to a variable. That's you as a program. But if you want the user to input their own value, then kumele uqale uthini? Uthi ufuna i-user ifake i-value but uzoyistorisha kule variable ozoyibiza ngani? Ngo-x. So uzoqala ubhale uthi input wena. Bese ufaka ini? U-bracket nje. Qedile kanje. Well, input empty. Can allow the user to put in something. Siphelele. But ungayihlobisa ke bese uyasho ukuthi enter your details. Yabo. Mhlambe sofuna ukuthi i-user yazi ukuthi yini eyifakayo lapha. Ingaze fine lokho wrong. So enter your details. Now. So leya string leya izenza njani? Izoprinteka njengoba njalo. Leya enter your details. Uzoprinteka njengoba unjani. But kuzovulekela ispace ukuthi i-user ye-program yenza njani? Ikwazi ukufaka something lapha. Bese leyo nto izostorisha kubani? Izostorisha kuleya variable x. So angithi mina ngenza into simple program using user input. Simple program that we can do here. we can say that X is input your details angisho. Asesibone nje uthi kulethu njani. We program what happens with it. Mangathi ngiyayiprinta la, yawo labo absolute value of X sesidlulile kubona ngisho. Sesidlulile kubona abanye. Or false nabo absolute value of X. We cut them out. Asinake nap. Yabo kubhaleni la enter your details. Siyabona lo. Siyabona enter your details. Yes. There is no need to print leyo nto because we-input function vele uno-print phakathi. Iyovela printe le string lesi esibhalwe enter your details njengoba sinjalo. So there is no need to do what? To print the input function. Once nje wathi input, iyovele nje ikuvulela ispace sokufaka into. Bese suyasho-ke wena. Angiyahleli. Bese suyasho ukuthi wena enter your details. Kwenzela ukuthi umuntu-ke afake into elindelekile. Angaze afake uGroup. Cha eyofethi imqondene yazi mina ngi-innocent kanjani. Cha bafethi yazi mina ngi-innocent kakhulu. Ngiyakhonza angizenzi izinto zasezweni kodwa ngenxa yenu nje ngi-corrupted. Haye. Alright, so mangafaka i-value la I can just put 5. So mangathi enter value kanjeni. Leya 5 loya sustorishekile kubani? U-X. Siyabona leyo nto ngisho. So leya 5 is already stored on ubani? On u-X. So let me just say print X. Let me just rerun the program again. Ithini? Enter your details. Bese ngifaka i-detail ethini ethi Philani. Bese ngiyothi print X. Iyoprint ubani? Iyoprint ubani? Manje print X. Uphilana ngisho. Mangathi enter izovela print ubani? Uphilana. Mangathi print your name is. Mangaqala nje ngithi ngifaka u-F string wami bese ngithi print your name is. Bese ngifaka ama-curly braces to call this variable. Your name is. Bese mhlambe ngisho ukuthi welcome to our platform, Mr. Who. Yabona into kanjalo. That's how they work phela. Uyabona umetha kule insuku. Mongena kumetha AI uzokhotha uthi welcome Mr. Sbanbani. They use the input. The input already they are using your account details. So mangathi nje welcome Mnumza ohloniphekileyo uMr. Yayizwa leyo nto. Welcome Mnumzane ohloniphekileyo uMr. X. Mangathi ngiyayiprinta leya nto izoqala ithi enter your details angisho. So iyangivulela iprogram singenza njani? Ngifaka ama-details. Ama-details let's just say mhlambe ithi enter your name ne. Ngisusele la details enter your name. Ngithi Philani kanjeni. Izothi welcome Mnumzane ohloniphekile uMr. Philani. Yabo. But here I've allowed the user himself or herself to enter the details kwi-console. Lo Philani lo angimfanga la kulothu njani. Choose that makes it versatile. Means ukuthi you can be able to enter different inputs. Mangarun iprogram singa-enter enye into ehlukile. Sifake uSandile. Jeje uMr. wethu access ubani access uPhilani sekuMr. Sandile. Yabona njalo. Yeah, that is used in apps because it's general. It allows each user to enter their own details. Yabona into kanjalo ngisho. Yes. So you can use this to enter password. You can use this to enter anything. So yabona into kanjalo ngisho. Yeah. So manje ke ngifuna manje okay asi-apply kancane lapha ku-absolute value. Siyokhanda ini i-user account simple. How to make a username and a password. For example, mafuna ungena ku-Facebook. Siyanyuka nje ngelevel kancane kancane. Asibeleni lapha ku-absolute value. Angifuni mina ukulokho ngifana nabo X nabo 100 njalo njalo. Ngifuna ukuthi i-user yenza njani? Ifayile inamba yayo efuna ini? I-absolute value. Futhi lapha ku-X angizokufaka i-value esethen angisho. Ngizofaka ini? U-input. Siyabona leyo nto ngisho. Yes. So ngizathi X wami is gonna be an input. So it's gonna be an input variable. And this input variable is gonna be saying input bese ngithini? Enter your what? Enter the number to find the absolute value. Maybe useni enter number to find absolute value. Now, once it's been neat program yakho. Enter number to find absolute value. Choose kahle before ngize ngithole absolute value la izoqala ngenza njani nokungibuza ukuthi ngifake le number le engiyifunela ini absolute value. Bese mase ngifile leyo number izo execute lo if no else lo njengoba besimdesignile. Siyabona ngisho. Mangathi ngiyaprinta leyo nto izothini? Enter number to find the absolute value. Ningakunaki lokho okuphezulu labo error this can't be true. Besenza amanye ama-program before angisho. Asarana now. But manje ngifuna sifocus la ithi enter your number to find its absolute value. Ufayeleni number lapha. Ngizomkhombisa something emnandi. Give me a number. Give me a number. Give me Zoom. I didn't give it up. 6. All right. Are we ready to find the absolute value of 6? Mele solo banapho. The absolute value of 6 is 6 angisho. 4. Nansi inkinga. Yini inkinga lapha? What's the problem? I didn't choose the type for the input. All right. So kahle i-input kumele ibe ne-type ethile. Ngamanye amazwi. Funa uzwa yini? Input must have a certain type. Why is it giving me error? Okay, just read the error. Asizweni? Not supported between string and integer. Yini engekho supported lapha? Less than. Should see the less than operator is not supported between the instances of ama-strings nani nama-integer. Should see enye into ini, enye into iyi-string, enye into ini, iyi-integer. Iyakhighlighted ukuthi line number 71, that's where there's an error, and they even highlight the error there. X is less than 0, that's the error. So bazama baqonda ukuthini lana. Between u-x no-0, omunye uyi-string, omunye uyini, uyi-integer. Kezwakala leyo nto ngisho. Omunye uyini, omunye uyi-string, omunye uyi-integer. So mawuzovela ufake u-less than, awukwazi ukuqhathanisa i-string ne-integer. Nanoma kungathiwa i-string sakho sine-number phansi. As long as si-enclosed in double quotes, then it means that you cannot be able to do what? You cannot be able to use it in any operations into engishilo. Siyayizwa leyo nto ngisho. So ngamanye amazwi yini ekumele ngiyenze ukuze leya x wami ekwazi ukusebenza. Okay, kahle yini eyi-string yini eyi-integer la ngifuna ukwazi. Phakathi kwa-x no-0. Which one is a string, which one is an integer? X. Yes. Usitshelani lokho u-x, remember ukuthi it is storing the input angisho. Shusahlala u-input function every time mawufaka into lapha ku-input iyohlazi ini, iyohlezi i-string by default. Akusiyona into oyikhethayo ukuthi wena u-input wami namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi ube u-string, kusasa u-input wami uzoba integer. Cha, automatically the input function, angisho njengamanje sithi input enter your number, it allows i-user ukuthi iyifakele into yayo. So njengoba i-user ifakele into yayo lapha, leyo nto efakwe i-user is automatically a string type. Either ufake inumber, leyo number ini, iyi-numerical string, iyi-string esiphansi kwani kwe-close kwama-double quotes. Izwakala leyo nto ngisho. Yeah. So the input function automatically checks a string, okay? Automatically stores input as string. So the input that we are storing here is going to be what? A string. So nibokwazi bafowethu to say, whenever you want to try and use your input lo ya, usuke eyini, usuke eyi-string. Kumele nje-ke wena-ke uconvert. Anginitshela ukuthi siconvert kanjani ama-types from one type to another. Siza ngisho. So you can convert your x usabe integer ngisho. Yes, you can just create a new instance of x bese uthi x is int x. Noma ungavela ufaka u-int khona la ku-input angisho. Yeah, you can compose function, guys. You can just say int. Now, int. Bese ufaka lo input, just make sure some brackets wakho they correspond and they balance. So mangaqala ukufaka u-int, it means ukuthi whatever input thing that I'm gonna have learned is gonna automatically be converted into a what? Into an integer. Because mina ngichazela lapha ku-type conversion ukuthi when you want to convert into an integer, you write int and you put whatever you wanna convert as a parameter in the parentheses. Ezwakala leyo nto ngisho. Yeah. So mina u-input wami ngiyazi ukuthi uzohlezi ethatha ini i-string. Kodwa mina-ke mase ngifuna ukusebenzisa i-string kuma-operations, awukwazi ukusebenza kuma-operations afana nabo greater than, plus, minus, because it's a string. It's treated as a string. You have to remove those brackets, those close quote, I mean. You remove them. You convert it into a what? Into an integer. But a string, some letters cannot be converted into a what? Into an integer. So ungayizami leyo nto nje kuma-letters. Izokuneza i-error. Ngisho sesayibona le error kawu-2 konke. So mina-ke ngizosho la ngithini? Ngithi now I have converted. So u-x wami sengizomkhanda kanjani? U-x wami sekuzoba yi-integer an integer equivalent of lento engizoyifaka ku-input, because lento engiyi-highlightile la, it is what the user inputs, and I know that it is a string. But now you turn that string instance, or you convert that number, you convert that string njalo to an what? To an integer. Siyayibona leyo nto ngisho. So njengamanje masinga-run program yethu ngasebenza ngisho. Yes, enter your program, enter the number to find the value. Sewufaka ku-6 futhi. Nazo-ke, the absolute value of 6 is, of x is 6. So siyasebenza lento lena ngisho. Yeah. But what if ngifuna ukuthi the absolute value of 6 is 6? Ngingafuni ukuthi x. Yini engingayenza lapha? If I wanna say the absolute value of 6 is 6. Yini engingayenza la? Kule program yami ye-conditional. Njengoba senifundile obani bani. Yini engingayenza? I want to say the absolute value of 6 is 6. And leyo absolute value ngifuna ukuthi kube yi-absolute value of into engiyifakile mina. Hayi lo x oyikhandele wena. U-x nje uyikhandele wena for your own convenience as a program. Mina as the user, I wanna say the absolute value of -10 is 10. So yini engayenza lapha? What can we do? Uyastaka njalo. Ngifuna ukuthi ngathi the absolute value of x. Ngifuna ukuthi the absolute value of lento engiyifakile mina. Yeah, curly braces angisho. Yes. Curly braces. So putting our curly braces, it is calling this x as a what? As a variable. So leya x loya, we want to highlight ubani? Int input. Yabo leya x uyini? Int input. Le input engiyifakile, the integer equivalent yayo. So mangizoprinta lena izosho ke manje ukuthi the absolute value, let's just enter the number to find the absolute value, -10. Izosho ukuthi, okay, wait, we are using the wrong program here. Okay, if x is less than, asifine curly brace nala for the negative condition, right? And rerun the program. So now when we rerun our program, we enter the value -10. You get this. It's in it, the absolute value of -10 is 10. Yabo. So basically it's going to call x into ifakile lo -10 integer. Yabo. After that, it's gonna call x, which was made by multiplying by ubani -1. You get creative with this, right? So the last program of the day that we can try is to design a program that will create, let's just say we've got an account, a user account, having a username and a password. Sinani? Username and a password. So ngifuna ukuthi mina if umuntu eloga in lapha, isho lapha is enter your details to log in. If it happens ukuthi i-username yakhe ayifa logic. If kwenzeka ukuthi i-username yakhe akusiyona le register ngayo i-account, then you cannot log in. It's gonna kick you out. Yeah. Or the password, if it's wrong, izosho uthini? Wrong password. So to make things easier for you, ngizokunikeza ama-predefined values. Ngisho uthini? U-username wakho. I've got an account on which site? Let's look for the sites that I visit mina. Ama-sites athi ukuba madala, yabo, ngokwengqondo, mature sites. Let's just create our own mature sites here. The mature sites that I'm gonna use is known as LinkedIn. Do you know LinkedIn? Yeah, that's a mature site. High level of maturity. People who get there, they've got high level of maturity. So this is the LinkedIn platform, yabo. So ngizokunikeza ukuthi i-username yami ku-LinkedIn, I'm gonna give it the string pistol, and then password yakhe, uzathi i-password yakhe is string nakhona esizothi asazi shonini password yami ubani wasazi asazi with exclamation mark asazi ke. So niyabona i-account yami nani ine-username ewu-pistol, ine-password ewubani ewu-asazi ke. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. So yini esengifuna ukuyenza ke manje at this point, I want you to log into my account. Now, so the first thing that's gonna ask, ngifuna ukuthi isho vele ukuthi welcome to LinkedIn. Let me just make this a comment so that singabe silokho sirana yonke lento ebesiyenza all along. So I'm just gonna make it a comment, right? make it dormant. So all of it, the program won't recognize it because angisafuni ukuthi i-console yethu ibe ilokhu igcwala izinto. Manje sengifuthi igcwale lento le engiyifunayo manje. Okuyini? Oyilokho. So ngifuna ukuthini ithi welcome. It's just gonna print this without any condition, right? Welcome to the mature site. The best one ever. Only for mature people. Okay, sorry. Right, welcome to the mature site. The best one ever. Izosho lokho nje izoprinta lokho bene. There's no condition to this angisho. Awuzange wathi if angisho. So limit load izoprinta verse. Bese ngifuna uthini? Ngifuna ukuthi inginikeze isikhala sokuthi ngilogin. Anishoni ke so kanjani. Noma ayekho nje uhalela nje ukusuma nje azothi kancane. Uthi cha. Hayi, why low self-confidence? Umani ozani oyedwa. Anyone who wanna try, just one line of code is enough. You are boosting your confidence. Remember, guys, varsity is all about boosting confidence, gaining skills.
The way that I modeled the code was that since it's meant to be like since you based it off of signing into LinkedIn, for example,
Yes.
you'd have two inputs being the username and the password. And for your access to your account to be granted, both of like both your username and your password have to be correct. So the way that I did it was that I made an if else conditional statement where if both the username and the password are correct, then you would be given a welcome message. Else, there would be a printed message saying that your credentials are invalid and you have to check either your username or your password. So let's just model data and make sure that the username and the string and the user password are both counted as strings, so that I will be able to relate them like this.
But to eliminate to eliminate or to eliminate defining what's already defined, is there a need for us to put a string? No, right? Because by default input function is already string, but it still doesn't do have a composing a function into itself. It's still the same thing. Yes, it's still definitely the same output.
Okay.
Average. This is awesome. Nice. Oh, you forgot to run your program, but let's just run it. Okay. Let's just fix a bit. Program yami angiyiboni. Flow line 5. Hope line 5. Okay. Line 5. All right. It's fine. Let's just do this, right? Start the comment here. Oh, wait. The comment structure here is having problems. So ngizokhipha lo program angiyiboni because if you make a comment inside a comment, gonna have problems. Awuna Python nje uthusa ngani? Just wanna neglect everything else and make it a comment, But there's another comment that is conflicting. Here's another one. Conflicting comment. Where's the other one? Okay, I think they were unterminated triple chords. Which one? Mr. X. Hope you welcome, Mr. X. Welcome back, Mr. Peace. You guys will see. Hey, angiwakhiphe lama-triple code. Ngisazobona nje le program njengoba binjalo. Angiwakhiphe nje lama-triple code because azosipha inkinga. Angiwakhiphe bese la ngifaka i-single quote la because we're just doing a definition for this one, right? So we're doing a definition. Yabona-ke, must remove many things. Python will make you freak out when it comes to the errors. But now we've cleaned out the errors. Hey, wasazi-ke une-error kuphi manje? Okay, asiboneni. All right, yeah. Let's just identify a couple of stuff here. All right. So let's see what might we need to just change a bit in the program to make it work, right? Because the logic is correct, the syntax is invalid as it says. Yeah. So you just need to put it in a way that Python understands. Lo pistol law or username, you need to specify its type. Whenever we deal with information, we need to specify the type, whether it's an integer, string, or float. So in this case, the username that I gave you, a predefined one, is a what? Is a string. So you must say if username is equal to the string pisto. So if username is equal to the string pisto, and user password is equals to the string asazi, then it means that it's going to say, welcome, Mr. Pisto. So whenever you enter any form of information, always specify the data type. Into ongayisipecifyeli type is either a variable or a function, because input ngavele ngibhala input angisho type yayo angisho. If variable, I can just say var is assigned to 10, we're saying it's a print var without mentioning the type, because basically whenever you store information, you need to try put the data type. So now let's keep this one number. Enter your details. Let's keep this one as the previous program. Now, welcome to the mature site, the best one ever. Please enter your username. So my username is supposed to be Pisto, right? Pisto. Please enter your password. Okay, remember the username file, these input functions allow uncompiling files in Danish. So the password, I'm just gonna put it exactly as it is. Asaz. Hey. Welcome back, Mr. Pisto. Oh, I'm able to log in because I've got correct things. But if you try with wrong things, it's gonna be an error, of course. If you try with wrong things, it's just gonna be an error. Let's just say I put a hint. Pindile Zuza. Okay. Invalid credentials. Check your username and password. I want to answer the program. That's the correct logic. This is good. One more time. Yeah. Yeah. So, guys, if you are still interested in continuing with this, all right, please code more. Functions. If you are still interested, code more. If you want more challenges, it's very easy to give you challenges, guys. So here's a challenge, you do it, you try and test it. You develop better software. The more you learn things, you add them into this. Okay. So try more combinations. Next time, I want people to make sure that if my credentials are invalid, if I'm looking for an invalid password and invalid name, it means that it will give me another chance to enter the password again. It should enter your password again. Your password is wrong. Enter it again. Yeah, okwamanje is just terminating in program angisho. Even it's nje invalid credentials with your tool, exit program. But now as time goes on, you guys can make it to allow you, because ka Facebook you can make errors angisho. Yeah, ufake wrong password. But so password is wrong, what? Enter login again. But bank it gives you attempts angisho. It says 3 attempts remaining angisho. Then 2 attempts, then 1 attempt. So now later on, we're gonna design software that is able to give you a certain number of times, a certain number of retries, depending on the criticalness of the software. If bank would need to have more, need to have only 3 tries. Otherwise, you're gonna say you're a scammer. You need to contact a branch. But so Facebook is not a big deal of a software, right? So you can enter the wrong password infinite. So go and learn about infinite loop. Go and learn about for loop. We've given you hints and application as we do our functions right now.